All right, we have this amazing UNLICON-Rollator walker with seat. First thing I want to say, this is an amazing value. As you can see, very high quality, all sorts of amazing features. This is going to be great for you. So I'm about 5'11". This is the good height for me. But if you want to adjust the height, as you can see right here and up here, you can easily adjust these to fit your height. You do it on both sides. So that's amazing. Very smooth, very easy to walk around, turn. You can, it's perfect. The other thing that's amazing right here is you've got these brakes right here. You pull them and you'll brake. Watch as I'm going forward. You'll see as I hit the brakes, it slows me down. So maybe you're going slightly down a hill or whatever, you want to slow down. You got the brakes. Perfect. You've also got this cup holder right here. You want to put a water, put whatever beverage you want. You can use it as you're walking, or as you're sitting down, you can sit down right here. You got your cup holder right here. You got this nice backrest right here, nice and padded for extra comfort. You're just hanging out, maybe you want to read a book, read the newspaper at the park. Amazing. Other thing that's amazing, flip up the seat. You got storage area right here. So you don't have to, when you're carrying this, you can carry a lot of other items in there without, it doesn't need to be in your hand. So you're good. I think this thing's amazing, very high quality, very smooth. The wheels are very smooth. So this is the one you want. Highly recommend it.